In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Melbet free bet promo code. So it will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. And normally you will come on your menu. Then by coming on your menu, then if you have been doing the first deposit of account by clicking now on your electronic purse, where you will see now your free bonus from there, which will be given at your first deposit of account. By doing so, now you will just convert it by making it your principal account. Now by doing it, after doing that, you will just come here at the level of casino at your menu. Then you will see the option of promo where you can also place your bet here by playing the free bet. You can click on bonuses for games. Now you will see that, for example, actually if you don't have available bonuses or free spins, you can start by playing some popular free bet games from here, and now by increasing your amount of bonus of amount. And it is as simple as that.